options is the top Range Rover. And when I say top, I mean top Range Rover. It is the Range Rover long wheelbase Autobiography, and it's $161,500. But you know what? It's worth every single penny. Under the hood, you get the same 5-liter V8 supercharged monster that outputs 510 horsepower and 461 pound-feet of torque. That is mated to the sweet ZF 8-speed automatic transmission, and you get all the off-road goodies that you get in the normal Range Rover. The interior is mind-blowing. I mean, you get double-stitched leather up there on the roof liner, so imagine what you get down here. The seats are amazing. They're captain chairs, they have individual armrests, they're extremely comfortable, they're heated, they're ventilated, and they have built-in massage. Best of all, this headrest over here, special foam gel has been used inside, so when you put your head against it, it feels like you're leaning against your favorite set of boobies. The ride comfort is exceptional. I mean, of course, the seat is fantastic, but the suspension itself creates like a magic cushion. It's like you're on a magic carpet flying over any road imperfections. And it's also very quiet and extremely refined. It also handles very well. The air suspension keeps the body always perfectly level, which really builds up some confidence when you start tackling the corners. Why would you ever pay more money for another car? You know what? This thing is a rocket. The biggest dilemma is to drive or to be driven.